The morning sun rises slowly above the distant mountains, painting the sky with shades of orange and pink. Light filters through the trees, creating patterns on the soft forest floor. A gentle breeze moves through the leaves, producing a calming rustling sound that surrounds you. Birds begin to sing their morning songs. The melody of chirping echoes across the forest, each note clear and distinct. Some birds fly from branch to branch, while others perch quietly, observing the awakening world. Repeat carefully, paying attention to how your tone rises and falls with the rhythm of the description. Near the riverbank, water flows steadily over smooth stones, creating a gentle gurgling sound. The river reflects the sky, shimmering with golden light. Tiny ripples move across the surface, and small fish swim gracefully beneath the clear water. Repeat aloud, letting your voice mimic the soft, flowing rhythm of the river. The fragrance of fresh grass fills the air, mixed with the subtle scent of wildflowers. A cluster of bright yellow and violet blooms sways lightly in the breeze, inviting bees to dance among their petals. You can almost hear the faint buzz of the bees moving carefully from flower to flower. In the distance, a deer steps gently from the shade of the trees. Its hooves make soft impressions on the forest floor as it moves quietly toward the river. It pauses, lifts its head, and drinks water with careful, deliberate movements. The surrounding environment is still, and a sense of peacefulness fills the air. Above, clouds drift lazily across the sky. Their edges glow with the sunlight, and shadows move across the landscape. Leaves shimmer with dew, and the forest feels alive yet calm. Each sound, the rustling of leaves, the flowing river, the songs of birds, the buzzing of bees, forms a symphony of natural harmony.